2 reasons why sales funnels are important for your business. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 important reasons why you should start using sales funnels in your business. Regardless of what you're selling, the type of business that you have, it doesn't matter. You need a sales funnel if you want to start scaling your business. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you my top 2 reasons why you should start implementing one right now. And if you find value on what I'm going to share with you today, and if you want me to help you build something like this, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/goal. And the main goal of this is just to have a friendly conversation, low pressure, just to get to know each other, what you're struggling with, what you want to achieve, and in order for me to know if we're going to be a good fit to work together, right? So you can go to the link and schedule your call. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's video. Okay, the reason number 1 is more sales. Remember that the main goal of a sales funnel is to help you bring more sales for a specific product or service. And remember that when you create a sales funnel, it's like if you were creating the best salesperson specifically designed to help you bring more customers for your best products or services. This person is gonna help you take complete strangers in the internet, is gonna convert these strangers into paying customer. And once this person become a paying customer, it's gonna keep selling them more products and service in the future. That is the main goal of creating this type of sales funnels. And this leads us to the reason number 2, that is automation. When you create a sales funnel, it's gonna be working for your business 24/7. It's gonna be bringing your sales while you are sleeping. This way, you're gonna be creating your freedom machine. And by freedom machine, I mean that you're gonna have more time to do other things in your business, do the things that you really like. And also, with more time, you're gonna have more freedom, more time to be with your family, more time to spend doing things that you love doing. And it's also gonna help you save money, because instead of you hire people, staff that's gonna help you, for instance, bring more customer, do cold calling, reaching out to new potential customer, answer those potential customer doubts, questions, and also follow up with these people that haven't bought from you. You know, this is a lot of manual work. So instead of you be paying to this person, to these people, you're gonna be saving money because you're gonna have an automated machine, as I said, working for you 24/7. And when you create this type of automation, you're gonna be building a sustainable and long-term business. Okay, so basically this was a really short video. Those are the 2 main reasons why you should start using a sales funnel in your business. Pretty straight to the point. You're gonna get more sales and you're gonna be automating your business. And if you pay close attention to these big brands, if you identify their sales process, you're gonna see how they have in place a sales funnel for each type of service or product that they're selling. That is the main goal of creating this type of automation. You can have more freedom. You can be having a successful business, and you don't have to be like 24/7, like working like crazy in your business, because if you stop working, you stop getting revenue. No. Once you know how the process works, you identify each step of your sales process, you automate these steps. They're gonna be working for you, and you're gonna have your freedom machine. So basically, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you want me to help you build the freedom machine for your business, as I said, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, have a small conversation, and let's see the type of freedom machine that we can create for you. So without further ado, guys, I hope that you have found this video valuable, pretty short, straight to the point. And comment below if you have any questions. Share it with someone that might be struggling with their business at this moment. Maybe this video can help them out, and smash that like button because you want to help me reach more people. And the whole idea of creating this video is to basically let people know how they can basically scale their business with all these different tools that we have access nowadays, you know. So yeah, basically that's it, guys. See you in the next one.